Good morning, Tana, and welcome to Tuesday morning. We're going to do a pretty quick tutor today, just go through some things, go through some notices. So let's do it. Right, so here's the things you need to know. Remember, I'm doing 3 phone calls a day. I haven't started yet because I'm making this Monday morning before I do it, but I am going to call Assad, Alisa and Tia today. So I'm going to work my way down the register, expect my call, just to see how you're getting on, just to see what you're thinking, talk to you about schoolwork. If you've got any problems, you can talk to me about it. Mr. Humes told us to do this, and I think it'll be really, really good because it is very, very boring. So at least it'll break my day up a bit. And then a few general things you need to know. So in the news, next Sunday, they're going to do an announcement on lockdown. And this will be the big one. This will be where they talk about the next step, and they'll tell you when we're going back to school, who's going back to school, what the decisions are. That is officially next Sunday. But unofficially, stuff's going to be coming out in the news all through the week. It's Monday morning today, and there's already loads of stuff saying like year 6 will go back first, and then year 10 and 12. So it already comes out in the press because this is what this government do. Rather than just announcing things because they're elected, they use their friends in the media to sort of leak it to see with the public reaction, to see if it'll be popular or not, because that's what politics is all about, obviously. So like the newspapers will be really interesting this week. The news will definitely be more interesting this week, and on Sunday is that proper announcement where Boris Johnson will stand in between those two very, very well-ironed British flags, and he'll go through the next stage. So lockdown's coming to an end, everyone. Like it won't be back to normal. It won't be anything like the world we had before Christmas, but it will definitely be more normal, and being locked away like we are at the moment is going to change. So that's good news, really. Next Sunday on the 10th, see what you think, see what they say. My dad sent me loads of articles on like the R rate and stuff, but when we go back to school, we'll talk about it. But there you go, watch that announcement next Sunday. Remember, it's bank holiday. We should be off today, like technically, usually the first Monday of May is a bank holiday, but because it's VE Day, which is Victory in Europe Day, so it's when the Nazis were defeated and the Allies won the war. Because it's that day and this, they didn't want to give us 2 bank holidays because they're too mean, so they just moved it to Friday. So there's no school on Friday. There'll be no lessons online. There won't be no tutor time. Gutted. There'll be nothing. So Friday, you've got a day off. Enjoy it. You don't get many bank holidays. Britain has the fewest bank holidays in the whole of Europe, so make sure you enjoy that, and that's what it's all about. Right guys, so today's activity, I'm just going to go through the answers from yesterday's dingbat challenge. I remember doing this in tutor, and I think Nell, you were really good at this. I think Erin was good. Who else? I think Nell was like the standout. Chris got a few, I think, for the Christmas ones. I can't really remember, but these were a lot harder. The some I still don't really understand. So we went through the first 2, right between the eyes, easy, criminal, because crim in al, criminal, that was rubbish. A fork in the road, putts, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 O's. So potatoes. Within reason, I like that one. So L-I-N-K are missing out of the alphabet, which is the missing link. A mail, and then a mail is a postman, a mailman, as Americans might call it. No, no 2 ways about it. Oh, I don't really get that one. No. Okay, so there's 2 ways to say no, and they're around about the word it. That one's very clever. Son of a gun, I don't know where this comes from. It must be a type of a gun or a make a gun. Made in Great Britain. This is good because look, you've got the word made inside GB. Made in Great Britain. So I love this one. Another time, another place is the saying, yeah? But they've got time is in the hub, so another way of saying time, and then place is in the fish, another way of saying fish. So another time, another place. Love that. This one here, an OBE is an honour you get from the Queen. Robbers are thieves, so honour amongst thieves is a saying. And then this one's good. You got your mum, and then it's inside the police, which is the law. Your mother-in-law, because your mum-in-law. See that? Good looking, easy. That one is easy. You should have got that one. It's a small world after all. I just know that as a terrible Disney ride I went on with a kid. And this is good. Excuse me. Love that. Right. That was the dingbat challenge. How many did you get? Don't lie and tell me you got all 18. Even I didn't get all 18 on this, but see how many you got. Excellent effort on this. Tomorrow we'll be doing something a bit more fun as lockdown's coming, and if there's any more talk about this, I'll tell you what the paper's saying, give you some headlines as well, because it's so interesting, guys. I'd be very surprised if we weren't back to school soon. So that is good news. Looking forward to seeing you all. I'll speak to you all over the next 2 weeks on the phone anyway. Right, guys, have a great Tuesday. See you tomorrow.